The Karnataka Youth Congress has announced a protest against the NEET-UG 2026 examination issue following allegations of a question paper leak. Youth Congress leaders made the announcement during a press meet held at the KPCC office in Bengaluru on Sunday. The Karnataka Youth Congress will organize a Raj Bhavan Chalo protest march in Bengaluru on May 21st, demanding accountability over the alleged NEET-UG 2026 question paper leak. The organization described the issue as a massive tragedy, claiming that it has affected over 2.2 million students across the country. Several senior Congress leaders are expected to participate in the demonstration. According to H.S. Manjunath, president of the Congress Youth Unit, the protest march will begin at Freedom Park at 11 a.m. and proceeded towards Raj Bhavan. Manjunath alleged that the primary reason for the protest is the NEET examination question paper leak, which he linked to the BJP and its supporters. He stated that the Youth Congress stands in solidarity with the students affected by the issue. He further criticized the central government, accusing it of failing to take responsibility and not ensuring proper action against those involved. He also alleged that the government is making false claims about CBI involvement without ensuring real accountability and condemned its response to the controversy. So viewers, will the NEET paper leak controversy lead to stricter reform in India's exam system? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.